Do you know what you get when you cross a ratchet strap with a bungee cord and zip ties? You get a goat. Now, I'm not talking about the animal goat. I'm talking about the twisted goat, the greatest of all ties. This thing right here has become a tool that I've been using. This is new to the market, and one of the coolest things about this is it's reusable. And I know I probably go through hundreds of zip ties a year because I wrap everything up, I'll zip tie it, and then when I need to use it again, I cut the zip tie. Well, with this, those days are over. You can use this over and over, and you can use it for a million different things. One thing I use these twisted goats for is my power washer. I'll put my handle on here because the holder that was over here for the handle broke off, and then this is always flopping and falling and laying all around, so I just wrap me a twisted goat around there. I put one on the hose here because the hose just comes unraveled and falls all over the place. Hoses, tow straps, ratchet straps, you can wrap up everything with a twisted goat and keep it organized. If you're doing some yard work with your ATV or side-by-side, it always seems like you never have enough room or enough places to cinch stuff down. And if you've ever had a bungee cut loose and unravel and snap you in the face, it is not a good feeling. So you don't have any of that with the twisted goat. You just wrap it around your gear, cinch it down, and you're ready to go. And of course, we can't forget extension cords. And the cool thing is, all your gear is hung up and out of the way until you need it. You can also use them to hold together your bundle of firewood for your next camping trip. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Twist it, wrap it, hang it, hold it. It doesn't matter what you're looking for. There's a twisted goat out there to fit your needs. You can get these at Walmart, Lowe's. You can even go to smartstraps.com and use my personal code Fishers15 to get 15% off of anything on their website. And yes, that does include the twisted goat ties. And one thing you want to make sure of is don't ever loan these to friends and family because you'll never get them back.